Okay, everyone, I'm Kisma, your prosperity code mentor, and I wanted to make this quick video for you because you've been in my universe, you've done some trainings, and as you know, or maybe you don't, I have this group called the Ashram Alchemists. It is of the highest vibration, and it's a mastermind that has entrepreneurs and career professionals. So it isn't specific to one career industry. Yet, what it is specific to is a person that is seeking their spiritual power, more abundance, more calm, greater relationships, basically their best self. So, I wanted to walk you through a few important resources and really the key components of being an alchemist and invite you to apply. Because I don't know about you, but what most people don't realize is what isn't here still makes an impact on what isn't being completely focused on when they just let go. Open up. With me, now I want you to think about what it would be like to walk through three core keys called the Universal Code Matrix. Number one is navigate. So we know the world is always going to be noisy. We know that it's changing all the time. We also know that when you navigate yourself, which really comes from that spiritual power, you can navigate the world no matter what is going on. You'll have the confidence, you'll have the certainty, you'll have the composure to be in the most successful place you can, happiest place you can, abundant, joyful, regardless of what's going on around you, because everything begins in your own personal universe center. Then, if you want to create, manifest, remember that the universe's job is to pour its energy through you so that it can express through you. This is what I teach you to do in the ashram, but you have to know certain keys. You've got to have a clean and clear energy center, which is why we have the metaphysical energy clearings. You also need to keep your mindset set and to take action. Every part of the ashram helps you to become the best manifester that you can. And if you want this powerful calm within, if you want this composure, if you want to be unshakable, then you will be activated with this higher power, these teachings, these tools that have been around since the beginning of time. So most people are realizing that they need an alternate way of being, doing, and having. Right now, I want you to understand I've traveled the planet. I've sat with true sages and gurus, and now I'm giving to my Ashram Alchemist members the most potent teachings to elevate above the noise of the world, to have this powerful calm, to be unshakable. So, together, we'll not just walk these three essential ways of being, but we'll also get clear in energy and mindset and this confident path to self mastery. Because each month you'll have a new theme, you'll have a new guided hypnosis meditation, and you'll have brand new teachings on personal freedom. Because the first week of the month, I lead you through a higher thought call. You'll implement the most impactful teachings of all time for a clear perspective on who you really are. We'll take ancient spiritual tools and merge with modern neuroscience, and we'll work on your mindset, your confidence, your self-esteem, your worthiness, your money, your relationships. You'll finally know who you are and how to access instant shifts whenever you need. The second week of the month, we'll be on a laser coaching call. This is what's really unique and amazing about The Alchemist. This isn't about submit your question and I'll read it to the group. This is about you getting on the call and we find out what's your biggest constraint, what's your challenge, and I will coach you right then and there. We also have Nick, the energy coach, so you can go into his room. This is one of the favorite calls for everyone because even if you don't take the laser coaching or the hot seat, you learn so much from the wisdom of everyone's question. It's magical. And then the third week of the month, we have the metaphysical energy clearing. This is phenomenal because you'll have access to deep healing and deep clearings that I have basically resourced from years and years of training and being all over the planet with great teachers, because the reason it's so important is mindset's just the tip of the iceberg. Many people shift their mindset, but they don't work on their energy. We're going to work on your energy and we're going to work on your mindset. And so you're going to get this direct help with your own spiritual and personal development, your mindset, your energy, your career, your business, your relationships. Everything is here for you. Plus, the last week of the month, you have a bonus prosperity energy call with Nick and a universal laws messaging and marketing call with Jenna. So, both career professionals, entrepreneurs, people that are staying at home and leading their families or finding transition benefit from being an alchemist because everyone is seeking their highest and best self. And you'll be excited to know that you can meet me Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Pacific or Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific. So there's no reason that you can't make a live call or you can attend both. Also, you'll understand you'll never get stuck as long as you show up and receive the abundance of help we have for you. Each month, we have a different self mastery theme. We have a different hypnosis. You can tag me in the Facebook group. You can reach out to Jenna, our concierge. You will never have to be stuck again, but you do need to show up and do the work and listen in order to really gain that highest access. I think that's fair. As well, even with all the noise in the world, you're going to be focused. You're going to be abundant because you'll have the daily abundance drops. Everyone loves the daily abundance drops. And you'll go through the daily 5 proprietary self-reflective questions. So it's like having your own morning ritual placed in your hand so that you can begin right away. And it's super clear, very well defined, and very high frequency. Now, you're probably wondering what's the investment? Well, for the Ashram Alchemist, it's usually a 9-month program, but I'm going to bonus in 3 months for you because I want you to walk a year with me. This means you won't need anything else in terms of spiritual and personal development. You won't need other meditations. Everything's going to be right here. And anything else you do in life, if you write emails, if you're a copywriter, if you're an interior designer, if you're a lawyer, doctor, coach, whatever you do is going to be better because you're going to have these teachings that clean you from the inside out, that direct your mindset, your energy, your heart, your soul to the highest possible vibration. So the investment begins with a deposit now of $997. Then it's followed by 2 payments of $3,501. And the first payment is 45 days after your deposit. The second payment is 60 days after that payment. So we make it very easy for you to enroll and be with us for this beautiful, incredible year. Plus, we make renewing really easy with loyalty pricing. See, most of the ashram alchemists have been with us for 2, 3, 4, 5 years because they understand it keeps elevating and they keep elevating. And you'll meet people and souls and have these deep connections, new friendships, new ways to support one another and receive support, all inside the Ashram Alchemist. So we're going to give you the teachings, we're going to give you the tools, we're going to give you the skills and the awareness to create the life that you really want, regardless of what the world's doing. You'll navigate with awareness, you'll manifest from an abundant consciousness and elevate all aspects of your life. So if you're interested, and I certainly hope you are, because you deserve your best self. You deserve your full potential and to wake up every day thinking, I love and I'm excited to live this life. All you have to do now is hit reply and say, I'm in. Then we'll send you the deposit link. We'll get you onboarded with Jenna. We'll get you right into the Facebook group on the live calls and trainings. And you'll also get an immediate bonus of Money Mindset Amplifier. This is an incredible training that will heal your wealth wounds, give you a weekly money code meditation, all of this, which is a $3,000 program as a bonus, because we want you to be so well taken care of that you will have this incredible presence in your own life. We're all looking to go to another level of consciousness and then another. And that's what we do here. So send me a note, tell me you're ready. I'll get you the information And I know you're going to love feeling and living from that unshakable calm within. It's your self-mastery, it's your power center. And this is the way that we're here to live life in the Ashram Alchemist. So I'll see you soon. Much love. Namaste.